So this chicken is great with pasta if you want, or it's great with some potatoes or something like that, entirely up to you. Tomato base, garlic, a few little herbs and pieces in there, really simple, it's delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so what I've got there is 2 whole chickens. They were 1 kg each, so 2 kg in total, about 4.4 pound. Cut it into pieces, bone is in, skin is on. So I'm using this fairly large skillet today. In there I've got oil. I'm using olive oil. You can change that if you want, use a different oil. There's about 3 tablespoons. We're going to take our chicken and we're going to pop it all in. You can see different parts here. You can sort of see the size that I've cut it. At this stage we're just going to add salt and black pepper. I'm using this pink Himalayan salt, that's why it's that colour, in case anyone's interested, and black pepper. Going to be fairly generous with both of those. Medium heat, 5 to 6 minutes. We're going to throw this around in the pan, get it on its way. Okay, so that chicken, as you can see, is not fully cooked at all, but just on its way. We've now got 2 cups of onion. And I'm going to get some garlic in, but the garlic I'm going to put in today is whole. I've just peeled that. That's like 1 head of garlic. In that goes. And we're going to continue cooking for another 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, next up I'm going to add some dried oregano, about 2 teaspoons. We're going to take 1 can of tomatoes. This is a whole plum tomato. Just going to drop that in. Regular size can, 400 ml. Just with a knife I'm going to just really roughly chop it. Then we're going to add some chicken stock. I've got here 400 ml of chicken stock. In that goes. We're going to give this a little mix. We're going to get a lid on it. We're going to reduce the heat down to a simmer. Just simmer this out now for about 15 to 20 minutes. Beautiful. Okay, I'm just turning the heat up to maximum right now. I'm going to give this a blast with the lid off. So off comes the lid here. We're just going to give this a little blast for 5 minutes. Lid off, high heat. Okay, off goes the heat. Now look, I do that just to kind of reduce it down a little bit. It just thickens up a little bit. Gives it a nice sauce, you know, just evaporates out on a little blast there. Check that for salt, check that for pepper. It's going to be fine for me. Really simple, delicious stuff. Okay, there you go, fabulous stuff. Great with some pasta or great with some potatoes, roast potatoes, mashed potatoes or something like that. Really simple. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.